Got the door torn apart on this Commando. The regulator right here. This regulator right here goes right there, and it's stuck in the down position. See that? Won't move. Hopefully something got in there in that gear and just kept it from moving. But I want to use this to showcase all these bushcraft skills out here in the trail. Try to create some kind of story, you know, like a video storybook, to showcase a whole bunch of bushcraft and survival type skills. You know, drive through here and try to make some kind of movie. You know, my subscriber base comes up. Even if it doesn't come up, I might do it anyways. But yeah, the idea would be try to showcase the skills in a fun way, to where people could actually have fun watching them. But there's a lot of cool trails in here to showcase everything, you know, all the skills that are needed. All right, I got to get back to finishing those planting that corn. I'm having too much fun walking around in the woods and doing other stuff. All right, see y'all later.